In winter times, have you seen the lack of nourishment in your hair? Hi everyone, welcome back to Nature Secret. I am Agnes Mosin. Cold winters are very harsh on your hair. If you don't take care of your hair in winters, it is very harmful for your hairs. Cold, dry air, harsh weather, and everything that comes with it can make your hair dehydrated, and you can see the negative effect on your hairs. Winter weather is harsh on all hair types, just like skin. Hair needs protection from the cold to remain soft, hydrated, and healthy. Everyone experiences mild to moderate dry scalp and brittle hair, but some it's a chronic problem, especially this time of year, as the weather kills the moisture out of your hair and scalps. Since winter can bring the dry scalp or worsen the existing scalp condition, I will give a moisturizing and hydrating hair mask to clean your scalp and make your hair super soft. Not only this mask helps to restore damage to existing hair, it can also help to prevent potential loss and damage by stimulating the scalp and nourishing and reinforcing the root shaft of the hair. For moisturizing protein hair mask, you will need half cup of yogurt, half lemon, 1 egg yolk, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Follow these steps to make a protein hair mask. Number 1. Just whip up the half cup of plain yogurt nicely. Number 2. Now add half tablespoon of lemon and 1 egg yolk. Number 3. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now mix it well and apply the mixture to your dry and thirsty hair, focusing on the scalps and roots. Wrap up the hair with a shower cap and wash it off after 30 minutes. You will use this hair mask at least once a week to get impressive outcomes. The citrus fruit is not just a flavor booster but also comes with many incredible properties that can help you in taking care of your hair and keeping it healthy and shiny. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps in boosting the production of keratin. Keratin is a hair protein. Its acidic nature and antimicrobial properties help in cleaning the scalp from excess oil and prevent various problems like dandruff, itchy scalps, hair falls, and many more. Mustard oil consists of alpha fatty acids that are known to keep hair hydrated and lively. These acids act as an excellent conditioner for our hair. Mustard oil will not only nourish your hair follicles but will give strength to your hair and boost your blood circulation in your scalps. Yogurt has been used as a hair care ingredient since ancient times. It is a multivitamin rich food which contains high level of lactic acid that is quite beneficial to treat dull and damaged hair. Using yogurt on your hair can also help to reduce hair fall, fight dandruff, and make your hair shiny, healthy, and soft. Egg yolk is rich in vitamins that may make hair more resistant to damage. Eggs are packed with vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin, and many more that moisturizes your hair and includes life in your dry, dull, and dead locks. Egg yolk is enriched with iron that boosts production of new hair cells and make your hair hydrated and shiny. So, what are you waiting about? Go and try this amazing hair mask for your dry and frizzy hairs. I hope you found this hair mask helpful. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new videos.